Hello, this is Tom Fox from Fox Sales Coaching and the Profit Sales and Coaching Processes, powered by Learning Evolution. Hey, really fired up to talk to you about our upcoming sales coaching and leadership class we're going to be putting on in Chicago in both May and in August. Really fired up. I'm reading this book called Atomic Habits by James Clear, and it's really helping us kind of crystallize how to kind of approach the leadership, and we're really fired up. And one of the concepts that he talks about is the importance of identity. You know, our leadership class is always focused on the vision and mission and values of your company, and we're going to continue to do that. But James Clear talks a lot about identity and how important it is for all of your internal teams to understand the identity that you're trying to take to the marketplace. And with that identity then comes an obligation to build some systems around how we execute that identity. And we do those things. We have the right identity, we have the right systems, we're going to have terrific execution and ultimately great outcomes. The problem is way too many companies approach it from the exact opposite end, which is not effective. When you focus too much on your outcomes and less on systems and less on identity, you are really leaving way too much on the table and not providing the direction that leaders need to provide to help execute and understand the importance of that identity. Those are just some of the things you're going to learn. Can't wait to see everybody in Chicago. You want to sign up? Again, go to our website, foxsalescoaching.com, or you can contact me via my cell phone, 248-765-0887. But look forward to having a packed house and learn more about leadership and providing that direction that you have to do. So good selling and good coaching, everybody. See you then.